Alright, so we got another gift from Lumoonosity, and we're going to go ahead and show you what it is. So this is their new Hexagon LED lights that you can put on your wall and stuff. Really nice. We have a little note here. Take that off. Just says thank you. Let's see. So on the right side of the box, back of the box, left side of the box, this has a 6 tile, so it's a 6-pack. It's portable, USB powered, and multicolored. Let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see on the top right here, we just have the, I believe this is like the brains of the operation. So we have the USB to DC port for power. This is literally the power. You don't have to have a big old power brick, which is cool. Right here we have a satisfactory card. So if you like it, you can, if you're not satisfied with the product, you can contact them. Right here we have a user manual. Really good instructions. Really short and simple, so you get what's included, how to install them. They do have an installation video as well, but I'll go ahead and show you how to set them up in this video as well. And then it shows you the different configurations for the remote and how to apply them on a wall or something like that, or on your desk. Really nice. Right here we have one of the stands for your desk, and then right here we have the Hexagon lights. So here are 2. We have the connectors right here, and then we have another one. Right here we have the power. I think this is an extender. Yeah, this might be an extender. So you can go ahead and do this. Or no, actually, okay, so this plugs into here, this plugs into the power source, and then this plugs into the lights. Okay, and then right here we have the RF remote. Right here we have, I believe, the adhesive. Yep, got some adhesive here. There's 8, which is really cool. Comes with a battery. I don't know if it's an extra one, but it's a CR2025 battery, which is standard for these, and I believe that there's one in here already. So let me, yep, so you get an extra battery for the remote. Not a lot of companies do that. This company always does it with their products. I like that. It's unique. Got 1, 2, 3 more. So that's everything you get in the box, as you can see. Let's move everything to the side. Let's get to the lights. So we have one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pretty much all you get in the box. Let's just take a look at one unit. So it's a nice, clean, sleek, modern design. You have a little circle here. This is where you apply the adhesive if you're gonna put it somewhere. You have 3 different options for be able to put the power, the connectors right here. Since these are USB, you can put them basically everywhere. You have one that's white, so I believe that's the main power. They're fully modular, so you can move them literally anywhere. Any of the 6 sides of the Hexagon. So it's basically a replica of all of them. Got all of them here. And then this is the actual clean slab there. Nice and diffused. So you have a milky diffuser there, so it'll be a nice flush light throughout. Let's go ahead and open this bag real quick. So you have little connectors here to help it stay in place. I don't know if you can see that. And then you have the USB connectors with arrows, which are very important. Make sure you have those arrows in the right way. So let's go ahead and show you how to set them up real quick. All you have to do is get one of these lights right here as your starting one. Go ahead and find the white port. This is your main port. As you can see, this is the difference. So this is a black port, this is a white port. You're gonna use that white port. You're gonna plug it in like so, like that, simple. And then on any of these sides, you can go ahead and connect a secondary light. So if I wanted to put it like right here, like this, then I just align it, get one of these connectors, make sure the arrow is facing in the direction for the power. So like just think of it as a circuit. You're gonna go ahead and plug it in like so, just like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and plug this one in right here. So it's pretty simple. Make sure they're the right way, obviously. They all have to be facing down. And then you just go ahead and plug it in like so. And to help support this, all you have to do is get one of these. Get one of these guys and connect it like this. And that helps with the support. So you can do it however you want. Just put it like this, extra support. I recommend putting it on the outer side. If you want, you can put both of them, just however you want for support. And then as you can see, I'm gonna put another one right here. So to connect it, you're gonna put this main one right here. Since this is your main module, you're gonna use this one and feed it to this one. You can go also from this to this or however you want, but make sure it's in the same order. So we're gonna get this one here. We're gonna plug this one in. It's literally like you're plugging in a USB port. It even has the USB port like holes in there. And then you go in and connect it. There we go, now we got 3. You can end it off here. I'm gonna end it off here for just right now. I'm only going to use 3, and then at the end I'm going to showcase them with all of them. So we're going to go ahead and get a power bank real quick. All right, so we got a power bank. You can use this with any USB port. Plug this into power like so, just like that, and they are already on. Wow, these look nice. I'm going to go ahead and turn off these lights real quick so we can see. Okay, so as you can see, I turned off all the lights. They look really nice. It's pretty cool. And then right here, you have the music mode little part here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you later. All right, so taking the remote, as you can see, we're going to turn it off. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on, change it to red. Nice solid red. The diffusion on these are perfect. I can't even see the beads, which is nice. It's actually really faint. Red is really hard to diffuse, and it's perfectly clear on here. Green, really nice. Blue, like I said, this is an RF remote. There's no IR receiver. You don't have to really point it anywhere. You can literally cover the sensor as well and then change the color. So it doesn't really matter how you point it. So we got like a cyan or light blue, yellow, pink or magenta, and then white. And you can also change the brightness. So we're gonna go ahead and lower it. This is the lowest it can go. So it goes really, really dim. And then you can go ahead and bring it up. And it does get fairly bright, as you can see. You can be the judge for that. It's not the brightest in the world, but it is pretty visible. And then right here you have a music mode. So as you can see, there's a little microphone here. So any music and anything played here will reach up and just do the music mode. That's amazing. I have so many music modes now. So as you can see, the microphone's faced towards it at the bottom. Right here, microphone. Your modes. Let's go ahead and turn off music mode. You can cycle through this one. So they have a lot of presets, really cool. That's really, really cool. So there's tons of different modes in there as well. You can also change the color directly. So if you're gonna do green, when you go on mode, you can just change the color. So if you wanted to do a blue one or a yellow one, however you want. You can do DIY, so you can schedule, so you can customize each one, DIY. You have a timer button as well at the bottom. I highly recommend this product so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up the rest of them. So we're just gonna go ahead and, I don't know how we should do it. You can customize it however you want, really. As you can see, I put it like this. You can do it like that if you wanted to. You can change them however you would like. I actually kind of like it this way. I'm gonna keep it this way. So we're gonna go ahead and turn these over. Now all the USB ports are the same, so if you accidentally connect it to the white part, it's fine. The base one just has to be white USB. Key component to make sure that the arrows are facing in the same way from the source of the power. And then that's pretty much it. Mainly you need the center ones. The other ones don't really matter. You can add them if you would like, but they might show on the other side. So this is good enough for now, and it does add a good amount of support. And I can see it's evenly lit. Not one of them is brighter than the other. They all look exactly the same level of brightness, which is extremely important. And it's crazy that it's all being powered by USB. I like that they're modular. I like that you can basically customize it however you want. And even the back looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty bright. And then the music mode, you have several modes. Really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and showcase this now. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to apply the sticky brackets. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get one of these sticky pads here. And then you're gonna go ahead and just basically stick this at the back like this, as you can see. And then you're gonna go ahead and stick it on the back of the device, like so. There's a little circle that you can go ahead and match. And then peel off the protective little plastic. And then you can go ahead and put this part on the back. You can put it on this edge or this side. I recommend putting it on this side, so facing. So you can go ahead and put it like so, and then just press down. They give you more, so if you need to mount it on a wall, you can put basically all the sticky brackets or sticky pads, whatever you want us to call it, on the all of them. Since there's a lot of weight, you might have to configure it a different way. So I would have to move this on that side to balance it out. But if you're gonna put it on a wall, like I said, it does not matter where you put them. I'm just gonna keep it like this and then move it. So we're gonna have a different design for the outro, aka the outro and the B-roll. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All I have to say for this product. It's really amazing. Lumoonosity does a really good job at lighting. They have LED strips, they have neon signs. I've done reviews for them really long time. Non-biased reviews. They just have good products overall, and it's usually at a really good cost. I didn't mention the price, but it was, I think it's around $50 to $60, which is pretty reasonable considering that Nanoleaf sells them for like 100, 200 bucks, which is extremely expensive. And these are basically way more simpler. They do basically the same exact thing, and they look cool. 6-pack, you don't have to buy more. You can if you want to, but yeah. But you know, if you wanted to put a DC volt in here, 12 volts, 2 amps, you can put that on, and then you can put like 12 more or whatever. Just a suggestion. I'm not too sure if it works. Not been tested, but that's just a suggestion. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right here. Got the little light here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on a desk.